Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your PayPal to your Shopify store. So what you want to do is to go over to your Shopify store and click on the lower left corner where it says settings. You're going to be brought to this page. You want to go ahead and click on payments option on the left hand side of your screen, and here you're going to be presented with the different options for payment on Shopify. So the first is Shopify payments, which is the inbuilt Shopify payment gateway. We also have additional payment methods like PayPal and Stripe. For the sake of this video, we're going to be using PayPal, which is much more available to a lot of other people in different countries. I'm going to click on activate right here, and as you can see, I'm being redirected to a secure gateway in order to link my PayPal to my Shopify store. So we're just going to wait for that to load up. Right. Once it's done, you would need to input your email address and click on the country or region that you're in. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Once you're done, it's going to be redirected to another page where you're going to need to input your email address and your PayPal password. I'm just going to go ahead and do that and click on login. So as you can see, it's linking my PayPal account to my Shopify store. We're just going to wait for that to load up for a bit, and that's it. Thanks for signing off. So we've successfully integrated PayPal with Shopify. So I'm going to click on go back to Shopify here. And once you're done with that and it's successful, if everything goes the way it's supposed to, you're going to see an active button on the right part of your screen that shows that your Shopify store is enabled for PayPal payments. Bear in mind the transaction fee is about 2% for every payment received. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to smash that like button. Consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.